Welcome to the SP3D Master Course, a certified professional training program. Master industry-ready plant design skills for oil and gas, power, and EPC projects through comprehensive hands-on training. This course offers 100% job-oriented EPC workflow-focused training with real-time industrial project exposure. You will learn end-to-end 3D plant modeling, drawing extraction, isometric generation, and 𝐒𝐫𝐵OQ reports. It covers high-demand sectors like oil and gas, power plants, and petrochemicals. The SP3D Master Course is a strategic partnership designed by Vishlesan I-Hub Foundation, IIT Patna, and delivered by the Baroda Institute of Technology, BIT. This collaboration ensures excellence in curriculum and expert-led training delivery, leading to an industry-recognized joint certification. Our General Foundation module starts with an industry overview and the role of SP3D. You will learn interface navigation, project setup, and database-driven modeling concepts, preparing you for complex design workflows. Part 2 of the foundation covers core disciplines: equipment, piping, structural, and electrical basics. You will also learn crucial interdiscipline coordination techniques, including space management and interface checking. The Foundation Skills module focuses on deliverables and quality assurance. Key outputs include clash detection, automated drawing and isometric generation, and material takeoffs or bill of quantities reports, vital for construction documentation. Specialization Track 01 is civil/structural engineering, master modeling industrial infrastructure, including foundations, steel structures, and access systems. The capstone project requires delivering a complete structural model with fabrication drawings and material reports. Specialization Track 02 is mechanical/piping engineering. This focuses on equipment modeling, spec-driven piping routing, valve placement, and pipe supports. The capstone project delivers a fully integrated piping module, ready for site fabrication. Specialization Track 03 covers electrical systems design. Learn about equipment placement, multi-tier cable tray routing, lighting systems, and comprehensive electrical documentation. The capstone models a complete electrical substation and distribution network. The Advanced Professional Track focuses on expert-level skills like multidiscipline coordination and large plant workflows. It covers advanced customization, quality assurance, and culminates in a capstone project using an integrated refinery model. The capstone project involves creating an integrated refinery unit model, demonstrating full plant coordination. Deliverables include GA drawings, piping isometrics, structural detailing, and 𝐒𝐫𝐵OQ reports, forming a strong professional portfolio. The learning pathway guides you step by step, starting with fundamentals and progressing through modeling disciplines like equipment, piping, structural, and electrical. It concludes with deliverables generation, quality assurance, and the final capstone project. The SP3D Master Course opens doors to high-growth career opportunities. Target job profiles include SP3D designer, piping designer, and plant design engineer. Demand is high in major EPC companies and oil and gas hubs worldwide. The course offers valuable market insights, including significant salary progression in India and higher compensation in Gulf markets. High demand exists for skilled SP3D designers in the oil and gas and EPC sectors. Accelerate your career transformation from a beginner to an industry-ready professional. The SP3D Master Course provides job-ready skills, EPC workflow understanding, a strong portfolio, and interview confidence. Ready to become an expert plant engineer? Join the SP3D Master Course for industry-recognized certification, 100% placement assistance, and hands-on training. Apply now or get in touch via call or WhatsApp at +91932 899 4901.